The huge Swedish zoo and wildlife park Kolmården has announced an exciting new expansion to debut during the 2025 season. In this video, we'll explore their plans and check in on the construction. Kolmården is well known as the home of Wildfire, the world's tallest wooden roller coaster. With its massive drop and multiple inversions, this coaster built by RMC is a bucket list attraction for coaster fans worldwide. Beyond thrilling rides, Kolmården is home to an array of remarkable animals, including tigers and elephants. A standout feature of the park is its unique gondola ride, which soars above habitats filled with giraffes, lions, bears, and many other animals. The ride offers an unforgettable aerial view of these majestic creatures. Another highlight of the park is its extensive children's area themed around the beloved Swedish cartoon bear Bamse. This section includes various flat rides and a Seer family coaster, all designed around characters and environments from the comics. The most recent addition to this area was the Samperla ride Skalmans Flygskola, introduced in 2022. In the summer of 2025, Kolmården will open Trollskogen, the largest expansion of Bamse's world to date. The new area will span 4,000 square meters, and the concept art shows many more famous places from the comics. We will now have the chance to visit iconic places like Tuffa Tuffingars Förening, also known as the hangout for the bad guys, and explore the home of the witch Hia Hia. There will also be a huge playground castle to explore, and the park promises a magical world full of adventure, play, and many surprises. For sleep-deprived parents like myself, there will also be a themed shop that serves coffee. Abundant trees and water will enhance the space, creating an immersive and exciting new area for the whole family to enjoy. Construction is already in full swing and the entire area is sealed off, though it's possible to catch glimpses of the progress through gaps in the fencing. The old playground is removed and extensive groundwork is in progress. It's possible to even spot parts of the new buildings. The theming and design are being handled by Eurovision and is the same company behind the existing beautifully crafted areas. As expected, everything looks very exciting. As someone who grew up reading Bamse comics, I'm thoroughly impressed by the theming and the quality of these areas. Every detail feels carefully thought out and captures the essence of Bamse perfectly. Even if I'm too old to fully enjoy it, I'm thrilled that a new generation will grow up with Bamse and his friends. We can't wait to explore this new edition when it opens this summer. If you made it this far, don't forget to leave a like and please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.